Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use USB mouse on your Mac. Now for that, if you simply have a USB mouse which has a little USB connector which goes towards your particular laptop that you have been using, and now if you have upgraded to MacBook, as you can see we will only have this kind of section to connect your, which is the type C. Now what you gotta do is you gotta simply go ahead, go to any mobile electronic shops, or you can go to your online digital platforms and search for a type C USB adapter, a connector, which you will simply put in right over here. Let me show you how it should be looking like. As you can see, this is the device that I was mentioning. Well, you simply gotta get one of these. You can say you gotta simply insert your particular USB cable of your mouse right over there and insert this part on your MacBook. And once you have done that, you will be able to connect your mouse to your MacBook and you can use the USB mouse. You can simply get that in, and that is it. So hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.